Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unmatch on Okcupid. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Okcupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you're logged in with your account. You will see this kind of interface after you are logged in. Now, in order to unmatch with someone, first of all, you need to match with the other person. In order to see the matched profile, you can see that on your message section. Here you can see the message option at the bottom. Tap on it. Only after you have a match, you will be able to have a conversation with them. So if you want to unmatch with someone, head over to that particular chat. Now at the top, you can see the profile of this person. You can tap on it. It will open up the profile of the person. Now, if you want to unmatch with this person, here you can see the cross icon at the bottom. Tap on it. Now it will ask for a confirmation if you really want to unmatch with this person. If you are sure to unmatch, you can tap on this unmatch option. And there you go. That's how you can easily unmatch with someone on Okcupid. It's a very simple and easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.